Welcome back to Car Flair. Today, we unveil one of the most extravagant creations in the motorhome world, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome camper truck. It's a bold fusion of high-performance engineering and elite luxury, designed not just to travel the road, but to dominate it in style. At first glance, the design is unmistakably Ferrari. Sharp aerodynamics, carbon fiber detailing, signature Rosso Corsa paint, and active air channels give this motorhome a supercar silhouette with a commanding road presence. The front fascia mirrors Ferrari's iconic sports car heritage, while the extended camper rear flows with sleek curvature and aggressive lines. Custom 22-inch alloy wheels and active suspension give it a ground-hugging yet powerful stance. Beneath the hood lies a twin-turbocharged V8 engine generating 710 horsepower, pushing this beast from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, something unheard of in the camper world. Paired with Ferrari's F1-derived transmission system and advanced adaptive traction control, it delivers exhilarating performance without compromising stability. Pricing starts at a staggering $420,000, but every dollar is justified in what might be the world's most thrilling luxury camper. Now, step inside, where the Ferrari DNA continues. Every inch of the interior is wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and polished aluminum trim. Ambient lighting lines the curved ceiling, while floor-to-ceiling glass panels offer panoramic views and a dramatic sense of space. The lounge features racing-inspired recliners, a hidden 60-inch smart display, and a fully digital cockpit with Ferrari's signature steering interface. The kitchen is equipped with minimalist modular designs, including a built-in espresso system, induction cooking surface, wine chiller, and automated storage drawers. A marble-accented wet bath with rainfall shower sits midsection, while at the rear, the luxury suite includes a memory foam king bed with hydraulic lift storage, surround sound entertainment, and smart tint windows for privacy. Built-in AI manages lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide off-grid capabilities, and Ferrari's exclusive GT Connect system ensures real-time diagnostics and global connectivity anywhere you roam. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome camper truck isn't just a luxury vehicle, it's a revolution in speed, comfort, and prestige for the open road. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing motorhome adventures.
Why settle for one view when you can have a new one every morning? Motorhome living make it possible. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more motorhome reviews.